Tanya and welcome back to our podcast.
And my name is Sahil. Welcome back.
And today we have Adi with us, Aditya. Of course, you have been seeing his content. It's great, and thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, glad to be here finally.
Yeah, finally.
Yeah.
We've been planning since a while now.
Long time.
He's also a McLaren fan,
Great.
so guys.
We started with Hamilton and McLaren together.
Yes,
So I started watching them.
I actually got into Formula One because I saw the McLaren Mercedes show run in Mumbai
Oh,
when it
nice.
happened back in like 2010 or something.
Correct.
So that's when I started watching Formula One, and then since that was the only team that I saw first, I was like, ये तो यही team है और कोई है ही नहीं team. यही है,
So
so
you
I
started
started
with
Formula
Hamilton
One.
and Alonso then.
Yeah, exactly.
So that
It
was
like
even
one of the
better
greatest
thing.
lineups, and then obviously बहुत downfall हुआ. But we stuck with it, and then 2014 I went for my brother's wedding, my cousin's wedding in the UK.
Okay.
And he worked at McLaren.
Oh, nice.
So he took us to the MTC. So I went to the McLaren car factory. I've seen Senna's car, Hunt's car,
Nice.
and like the trophy wall and everything. So like that bond, I feel like for me now it's ride or die until the end.
I think
Perfect.
McLaren and Ferrari fans have seen so much downfall, but they're still so like true to their team. But starting with the Hungarian Grand Prix, what is wrong with Ferrari? Does Ferrari like their drivers? Just reply to this question.
Ferrari's biggest competitor is Ferrari. Like, seeing Leclerc on pole, I was like, what just happened? Where did this come from?
I know.
Seeing him on pole, I was surprised. But after that, during the race, the first half of the race, he dominated.
Yeah. He was so frustrated. That
He was-
radio was so hard.
I don't think I've seen like radio messages that long that they
Yeah.
cover the
That
entire
is the first one I've seen.
Yeah, it was just top to
I
bottom.
couldn't even read.
I still don't understand what happened. Was it the floor that he was irritated with? Was it the strategy that he was irritated
So I mean,
with?
Ferrari are claiming it was problems with the chassis or that it
Yeah.
damaged or something
Yeah.
was wrong. But again, you saw Russell's interview, right? And he
Yeah.
was the closest one to that car.
Yeah.
So he said that the car was running way lower than any of the other cars was
Yeah.
running. So they're not allowed to run the cars that low, right? So what happened during the pit stop was they increased the tire pressures on all the
Yeah.
tires and it lifted the car a bit.
Yeah.
So they can't say that this is why we did it because the car was illegal before it.
Illegally की बात कर रहे हैं तो McLaren भी illegally लग रही है
एक
मुझे
second.
इसका.
Actually, in fact, जितनी McLaren की कार ये सीजन चेक हुई उतनी कभी पहले कोई गाड़ी चेक नहीं हुई
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
Multiple times they have been
Because
checked.
we have Christian Horner again and again
I was just
saying
coming to
check.
He's coming to the Red Bull.
But who I think had an illegal car this race was Aston Martin. Dude, I think Adrian Newey helped to कर रहा है.
Because we've seen him on the grid, he's been inspecting that McLaren like nothing.
Yeah,
He's just
yeah.
Doing a proper thesis
Yeah.
on it is what I feel.
100%. His next book is going to be how to build a McLaren.
Good for Alonso.
Really good.
Yeah, very good for
Really
Alonso.
good.
But then at one point I was like both the McLaren should crash. Alonso on pole.
हो जाता.
That's somehow the Red Bull fans when they want their to win, it's always ये नहीं कि race होके overtake हो जाए, it's always crash हो जाए.
But he was still not coming on pole.
Fair be.
What do you think about Max's move for Lewis turn 4 वाला?
It was forcing him to go out and I would say dangerous. अगर Hamilton रह जाता तो crash होता वही जाता.
Fair.
He was smart enough to let
I
the
love that
position
move.
go.
I was like,
It was a good
let's
move, no
go.
doubt. I think it was a payback from Silverstone.
Yeah.
I think it was a payback.
For me, I think Max ने हटाओ यार. मुझे जाना है. Chara is complaining, I'm in traffic.
I mean, car ka problems Red Bull has had, we've known.
Yeah.
But their strategy is also failing.
They have key personnel left.
Yeah.
They were the ones who were holding the team together and in a perfect harmony. सारे निकल गए तो क्या करें?
और जहाँ जाके सब कमाल कर रहे हैं. Keep Sauber, Gabriel Bortoleto is like outperforming that guy.
Very good for
I'm just
Bortoleto.
happy with their pit stops.
Yeah. Good to see Lawson.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got only some
He's
points behind
points.
Hajar now, right?
Yeah.
2 or 8 points or something. He's getting that confidence back now. Going into
Yeah.
Red Bull just completely destroyed
Yeah,
him. He was
man.
just nowhere.
Look at Tsunoda. He's not even scoring. बेचारा Q3 में exit ले रहा है, Q2 में max to max. Like for him getting to Q2 is like an achievement now. I feel.
And I feel like Viga just इतना vibe वाली team है. मतलब their Instagram content is amazing. I love it. I think they're the best social media page here.
They're doing Kardashian videos and all that. Love it.
Max radio was just heartbreaking.
Very
Yeah,
sad.
honestly,
And
it's
even
so
like
sad.
the team principal saying, I'm sorry, I can't give you the car you want, and you're still pushing the limits. I'm like, bro, then do something about it. You're not just saying sorry to each other every day.
और कुछ है नहीं तो sorry बोलो और क्या कर सकते हो?
Just relax. Because now I'm coming to Hamilton, who's useless according to
Yeah,
himself.
according to
I'm
him,
not saying.
can't say. Even after the 2021 season, he came out strong.
Yeah.
That person going all out public and saying that he's useless. useless.
Yeah.
It's heartbreaking to see.
But it kind of tells me, see, he's been with a bad car before. I don't think it's the car. I think there's something like seriously wrong at Ferrari and their
Correct.
management, which is why
Yeah.
he's
And
feels.
he's
The car's not
saying
that
it.
bad.
Yeah.
It's better than the Mercedes.
Yeah.
Charles Leclerc is always somewhere in the top line.
Yeah.
ये पहुंच जाता है
There's
कहीं ना
something
कहीं.
like very significant.
Yeah.
And again, he's not had the confidence that he used to have
Correct.
for a
Yeah.
long time.
Yeah.
I mean, he's like that one race. Even though Spa was good, he got all these overtakes done, but he still.
But that was
needs-
the bet.
Yeah, and I think he needs one race where he can get that confidence back,
Yeah.
and I think he'll be close.
I don't think it's a one race thing anymore. I think once he
It's a couple
feels
of
the
races.
car, because the car is also very close to Charles Leclerc's
Yeah,
driving
yeah,
style.
yeah.
He's not tuned with the car. Plus, management of Ferrari is so bad right now. I don't think he's like accepted that he's in Ferrari and doing so bad. You know?
बेचारा घड़ी तो Mercedes के इस पे जा रहा है hospitality.
Yeah, you guys
Yeah,
saw
I saw
that?
Toto and the whole 8th August thing, like the whole mysterious thing. I don't know what's happening.
What's
क्या हो
There's
रहा है,
something
क्या हो रहा है.
happening. What is told?
Like,
I think you know what I think is gonna happen.
Yeah,
Kimi
Kimi's
is
gonna go to
going-
Ferrari. मेरे को पता था. That's what I'm gonna say. This like he's Italian. He can go to Ferrari. This can go
All
back.
Italians are happy. Yeah, all Italians are happy. They
I don't
have.
think so.
That's not
Yeah, it's not happening,
I
but
don't
that
think
is
so.
what I think will
Yeah,
happen.
एक तरफ से देखने जाओ ना तो Hamilton is not letting go of his retirement plan for sure.
Yeah.
He has the best retirement plan right now.
Yeah. But I think he's so broken, he might only say, bro, change the driver, it's not happening. Before people start calling me like a sore loser,
Like a
you know,
washed.
the new people don't know who Hamilton is,
yeah.
you know. Before that image starts to come up, I think he will get out. But Leclerc, I think it's like he's in such a prime right now. If
Yeah.
Ferrari is misusing him right now, imagine what's going to happen when he's not even in prime anymore. But what do you think is Red Bull's future? After everything that we've gone through till now, do you think Red Bull is like even going to fight for contention to chhod do, top 3?
But there are a couple of tracks where I think it might happen. With one of, I mean, the streets again. With Singapore is somewhere where Red Bull has been quite strong, as well as Ferrari. So I'm really looking forward to that. And then Abu Dhabi is also a great track for
Yeah.
Red Bull.
You're in Brazil.
Brazil is also always been
Yeah.
great for. And I feel like if there's rain, again Max is gonna be Max. And
Yeah.
that can balance things out, but then we can't count on it. The thing is with McLaren, just suddenly changing
Yeah.
their performance from this to that.
Yeah.
Like that Red Bull has gone from like a 4-time winning championship winning
Yeah.
team to instantly going as
Yeah.
a midfield team in some
Yeah.
places like
Yeah.
that.
And they're struggling in the midfield, that's the worst part.
Yeah.
And the second cars are not doing anything.
Haven't you realized Stroll has not strolled throughout the season?
Unbelievable.
What is wrong?
It's like slowly,
with him?
slightly flying under the radar. He like just
Yeah.
consistently doing his thing.
सीख रहा है, he knows now Adrian Newey is now shit's getting serious.
Yeah.
अब बाप का पैसा नहीं काम करेगा, I have to show.
Yeah.
Yeah. When he was starting P7, no, in this race, I was like, something to he'll do first corner nicely. He's
इज्जत से निकला वो।
एकदम. But इस साल सारे drivers काफी इज्जत से चला रहे हैं. But are you all enjoying the McLaren fight, or you think it could be a little more intense?
I think it could be a bit more intense.
Limited because it's getting intense only towards the end of
Last couple of
Yeah.
races we've seen it before, and there was
Yeah.
no competition
Yeah.
because they were always like very nicely,
Yeah.
cleanly team orders, all that
Yeah.
crap.
That's
but I
it.
feel now the reason why they're getting a little bit more intense is because McLaren is very clear in the championship. The constructors is theirs.
Is theirs,
yeah, they
yeah.
were like people saying they'll win it by Baku.
Yeah.
Honestly, with the points that they have after like another 2 or 3 1-2s, if they don't even show up, they'll win.
Don't show up, bye. Don't come out.
There's a driver's championship going on. And I think abhi tak jo the nice guys ho rahe na, like
Yeah.
hustling with each other, having fun.
Yeah.
That's gonna change after 3-4 races. When it
I
comes
hope
down to
so.
like when there's only a limited amount of races
Correct.
left, and you either win or
Oh,
you're
yeah.
not.
Something
Yeah.
like 2021,
Yeah.
but in the same team.
Yeah.
I want to see that.
Yeah, I
Nico
know.
Lewis वाले cap फेंक के
Yeah.
मार रहा है
I've been saying that since I think the 4th or the 5th race.
Yeah.
I want to see that happening.
Like people keep saying like the whole internet is again hating on Lando all the time.
You're a Lando or an Oscar person?
I was through and through Lando because again like when I started watching McLaren, he was new. He was the
Yeah.
one who was like this guy will save McLaren.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So I've been and I used to watch his live streams also a lot. So he's a
Okay.
very fun guy. And I love him. But since Oscar has stepped into that team and into that car, the kind of performance that he showed, I
Yeah.
feel like okay, this guy is like what Max Verstappen was when he came.
So
into the
see, he's a
I'm not
Lando
like that.
fan.
I'm also a Lando fan. Like I love Lando. Oscar is someone that will turn into a legend, and I would be like, okay, yeah, Oscar is the. जैसे मैं बोला hate करते सब बोलते हैं कि Lando बहुत mistakes हैं. Oscar is making just as many.
Yeah,
mistakes.
now Oscar
It
is
just
making
doesn't. Nobody like
mistakes,
concentrates on him for
yeah.
doing it. So, I mean, people say like ice cold,
Yeah.
नहीं.
Yeah. So coming to a very interesting game that I want to play with you guys. So I am going to ask you all a question and you all have to tell me who is the best out of all.
Okay.
Best rookie till now.
Gabby.
I think I'll go for that.
Really?
Yeah.
For me, Isaac.
100% Gabby.
Okay. Biggest flop of 2025.
Kimi.
Why?
The way he was hyped and everything, the like first few races, but entire Europe stint, which should be his home thing, he's gone completely
Yeah,
like
that's
below
true.
top 10 also. Thing is, I wouldn't have said biggest flop for Kimi otherwise, but everybody else is doing so well that it's
Correct.
hard to like name a
Yeah.
flop. Even
Right.
otherwise, it's always Stroll for me. But Stroll has been also doing quite
Stroll
well.
has been
Performing.
doing
Yeah,
good. But I think
so-
for me, I'll go for Sonoda as the flop. The aggression that he had in VCAP, it's nowhere.
But dude, Red Bull is just
Still,
like.
even VCAP used to be
I
bad.
don't blame him.
VCAP last year wasn't that great, but he was scoring good. He was driving aggressive.
Yeah.
But this year, वो मतलब ऐसे शांत हो गया.
The best moment till now. And it can also be off track.
I think for me would be Australia with Hamilton's father going to
The
Hajjar.
first race to Hajjar. Cute.
That's
I would say Nico's podium.
Yeah. I would say Christian Horner getting fired. Best surprise of 2025.
I think VCAP, both the cars outperforming the Red Bulls.
Shock.
There's way too many non-safety car races.
Yeah. Very boring these races have been. Best race till now. The races have been so boring that we have to think. Imagine.
actually.
Yeah.
I think Australia was fun. I think
Actually, Miami was also
Miami
very
was
good.
good.
I think Miami and Austria were like probably two of my top races.
Best driver till now.
Oscar.
Yeah.
Lando.
Oscar. Arey, yeah, you're Lando. Bias Lando fan. Bias.
I'll tell you why. I can actually tell you why.
Awesome.
I can actually tell you why. Because he's improved his game big time
The
since
best
last
तो
year.
नहीं है. Surprise में बोल देता है. He's improved. I didn't
नहीं
know that.
surprise इतना surprising था नहीं ना because he had to.
Yeah.
It's gonna get all about the mental pressure towards the end of the
Yeah.
season, and if Lando doesn't improve that, he's not winning.
Yeah.
He's becoming better at it. So
Yeah, I hope. Even I hope कि Lando wins, but जैसा भी चल रहा है, I think Oscar
chances ज़्यादा लग रहा है but
जीतेगा.
One bold prediction for the second half of the season.
I think Hamilton starts picking up the top 5 positions back. That would be my bold prediction, but
That's pretty bold.
extremely bold.
I think we'll see an Aston podium.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so for the last segment, I want to ask you all. I'm just gonna basically take the team's name.
Okay.
10 teams, and we're just gonna like briefly talk about what we think the second half is gonna look like
Okay.
and how you think they might be in 2026. Like, so how do you think Williams is going to be in the second half of the game? Of the
Second half of the
Second half of
Second half of
the
the
season. Nowhere.
I think
just the
they
same.
just need to develop a little more. That's
I don't think they're developing.
It's hard to
this
say.
season.
Like just on a general baseline, if the team hasn't been doing well for the first half, they don't really
spend
time on the second half.
developing for the
I think
second
just being
season. They'll be like,
consistent.
screw it, we just do the next season.
Yeah, I don't think their idea was ever to
Yeah,
concentrate
yeah,
on this
yeah.
season
Started
anyway.
well.
Yeah.
They started well.
Science underperformed a lot.
Yeah, a lot. But also lots of too
Yeah.
many changes for
Too
him,
many
it's
changes.
understandable. Kick Sauber. Where are they going to be in constructors?
I think they'll stay below Aston.
I think Williams will drop.
I think Aston's gonna like keep getting better a bit.
The Williams is on 5th.
Yeah, Williams is on
So
first.
that will drop.
That will
Ah,
drop.
fair.
So
Yeah.
ये 6th पे आ सकता है.
Sixth.
It's possible 5th पे रह सकता है.
They will be definitely be in the midfield rather than the.
Yeah.
What if Aston actually overtakes Red Bull?
Shut up. Are you crazy? That's
You
not-
never know. Both of them are
See, if
finishing
two
in
drivers
points.
score 5, 6 or
Yeah.
6, 7 rather than one driver scoring 3rd, 4th, then.
That's possible. Oh my god.
You never know.
That's total depression.
Instant depression.
And we've obviously not spoken about Alpine. So, what do you all think?
Alpine's
Alpine.
racing this. I think Alpine for the next half we'll probably see like a team principal that's like higher for Alpine. Like,
What about Aston, guys? Aston is.
Picking up. I feel the same thing. Like they might come up in the constructors, and I really think that they might be able to beat.
beat Red
But do you
Bull.
think? Do you think? Do you think Aston's situation can also be like Haas? Like Haas in the middle was pretty good for like 2-3
Yeah.
races, and then it went down again.
Correct.
Aston, will it be like that, or will it be consistently?
Considering it's the last race before the summer break and this is what their performance was, I think it's gonna
They'll come back
Yeah, either they'll stay like somewhere in the midfield, like top midfield. Otherwise, they'll do better.
Haas is also just
Just
there.
there.
Haas and Alpine are just
It's
there.
just not entertaining anymore without this guy.
Steiner.
The Steiner. Sorry.
Yeah.
No, पता नहीं रोमांस रोज Those are the two people.
वो safety car ले आता था.
Yeah.
He was also entertaining.
What about Ferrari?
Ferrari is like.
Are we winning the race this season, guys? I want to know that.
No.
No?
Even if they try to win, the engineers are sitting there.
But still, you all think that Ferrari is not winning even one race this season?
Not on pure pace or strategy. If
No.
there's like something that goes horribly wrong with the McLaren,
Then they might. I think Monza, because straight line speed McLaren are not that great.
Yeah.
I cannot believe.
Even in Spa, I think after the race when the cars were parked in the paddock, one of the engineers, the first thing he did when he came to the car was go under and check कि कितना plan हुआ है.
What about Mercedes? Are they beating? They are beating Ferrari
They are
already in
beating,
points.
I think
It's a good battle between them.
yeah, I think they could beat Red Bull as well. They're also
Hey, Aston बोल रहा है Red Bull को beat करेगा तो ये Mercedes तो
No, I'm talking like
Red Bull
during
is
the not constructors, like drivers maybe.
Drivers,
I think
yeah.
Russell might
Even
take
I think
Max Verstappen.
Easy.
How he reaches it so
उसका podium वाला video देखा ना, it's like okay.
He's always there.
Yeah, he's a meme, dude. Every time he's
Walking
a podium,
meme,
he's a
yes.
meme.
I think some in DTS, the latest season, someone called him a specimen as well. He's a perfect specimen.
What about Red Bull? Is Max winning another race
No.
this season? He will win.
I think he will
win.
win.
See, one good pole he'll get and then he'll just like stick to it and he won't let anyone overtake and he'll just win that.
But-
then that needs to happen with
Yeah.
Max.
But then the thing is, Max is also not very motivated. I can see like
Yeah.
even after races, he's just like chilling
Yeah.
and everything. He doesn't
Yeah.
have like that. I want to win
Yeah.
this thing right now.
I think that happens when you don't have a good car.
Yeah.
And I think he accepted 4-5 races back. कि ये तो मतलब
यही
it's not
होना है.
happening, so it's better
Focus
I
on
just-
next year now.
Yeah. And McLaren is obviously winning, and we know that Oscar's winning, and Lando's just going to be there. So.
I feel what I think is we're gonna see a little bit more of papaya rules
Yeah.
in the second half of the
I
season.
think more than the papaya rules, they've just been saying that okay, you race, it's fine.
Be clean.
Just make sure you are not.
Yeah, but I think they'll start to like थोड़ा leash लगाने
Yeah.
लगेंगे. and,
लगेंगे. अभी if people, if both these guys go crazy,
Yeah.
because the garages, both the garages are very aggressive.
Yeah, yeah, 100%.
Yeah, man.
And that's the best part to see.
How many drivers would have seats for next year? When do you think Russell's contract is gonna get?
I think
Next race, मतलब next 2-3
after the summer break, उसका हो जाना चाहिए.
One
Because he's been
race.
performing
Yeah.
well for the team.
I mean, now there is no other choice. Who else will they go with? Max is not
They
happening.
can get signs to the team.
Now what about Cadillac's lineup?
Bottas.
Bottas is there.
And I would like to see Checo or Mick Schumacher. Honestly, I
Mick
think Mick
Schumacher
Schumacher
needs a
needs
chance.
another
Yeah,
chance.
He needs a chance.
And I think Checo was very like everyone thought oh he's a bad driver. उसको इसके pressure में निकाल दिया, but he's actually not bad. 2021.
I mean, he was the only one who, after Danny, I think
Yeah,
he was the
and-
only one who could keep
I
the car
agree.
somewhere.
Yeah, I don't think his time has come.
I think it'll be one experienced driver and one young driver.
Yeah,
That's
maybe.
like usually most teams go
Yeah.
for that kind of a lineup.
And then they might go for
Developing
like an American driver also.
And then that's also one if you have two veterans and both of them have different styles and there's
Yeah.
conflict in the
Exactly.
development of the car. So you need like one driver who can
Develop
direct
that
that and then the
one
other one who can
training.
just, because Ferrari has a lot of hand in the Cadillac development
Yeah.
as well. It could just be like an Italian driver or someone.
They could just promote Oli Behrman.
Oli.
What?
They can.
Isn't he already signed for 26?
It's an internal transfer.
The funniest part would be if Williams again downperforms the new team or Haas goes down. I don't know.
All the Mercedes engine teams are going to do
Yeah,
well.
all Mercedes engine.
They're gonna do well.
And Alpine first,
Yeah.
because they're also getting a
Yeah,
Mercedes engine
Mercedes
really
engine.
finally like
Yeah.
good
They'll
engine.
go, I don't know.
Yeah, they definitely have an advantage, but then it also depends on what they do with their
Yeah, of
dynamics
course.
and all. I think Williams will do well. They have
Sure.
been working on 2026.
Williams should.
Yeah.
But it's going to be fun because they'll be a little tricky to drive as well.
And I think all cars will be developing so much that there'll be a lot of like confusion and development throughout the season. So
Yeah.
it'll be fun to see which team actually caught up with the regulations and which did not. But anyway, thank you so much for watching our pod where I think we were only discussing, we barely even looked. But thank you so much for watching and we will see you all after the summer break.
Yes.
Thank you,
Enjoy the
Adi, for
break.
coming. Thank
Hope
you
you're
for
coming back again.
Sure. If she invites me, I'll go.